Guys, okay, wait, here's the deal, okay? I'm gonna do this, yeah, it's a bit crazy type of shot, okay? But I don't know what name to give to this shot, so I'm gonna make the shot, then you guys, every person comment right now what name to give to this shot, okay? Let's do it. I know you guys are over here, and I'm just too lazy to do an intro. I'm gonna be plain and simple, okay? Instead, I'm not lazy to go for a double bank shot right now on the red ball. The time is running out. Absolutely mind-blowing. It's so awkward not doing any intro. I was like, I'm just gonna try it, like, not doing any intro. Top middle pocket, double kiss shot. Hopefully. It's gonna be epic. It was epic, man, but my cue ball went in along with that. Basically, I could not have done anything over there, man. That was just unlucky. He says you're awesome. Am I? I think the cue ball won't collide. I think yes. I'm gonna add backspin. Bottom left pocket. Let's do it. Build up the hype. Infinity Gauntlet. Why did I just say that? Guys, okay, wait. Here's the deal, okay? I'm gonna do this, yeah, it's a bit crazy type of shot, okay? But I don't know what name to give to this shot, so I'm gonna make the shot, then you guys, every person comment right now what name to give to this shot, okay? Let's do it. And then backspin. Kids, do not try this at home, okay? Do not try this at home, school, or anywhere. I remember I used to see this like quotation on WWE like 10 years ago when I watched it, but I hope so everyone is gonna comment a name, by the way, for the shot, man. I'm waiting to see the comments, by the way. That was obviously an intro Berlin match, okay? So this is gonna be a full one. I just did the break. I bought 3 solids. He just see how I... What? Bro, please relax. Like, is he like... Did he just purchase the chat pack or something? Because he's like spamming the chat and he's acting like he's a very pro player. And I just missed my first shot to such a arrogant player. He says you are who is this guy? He says you are busted. He's so confident. He's saying, see, okay, I know you play very good, but please like show us how to play instead of talking so much. I'm super excited to play with this guy, man. Okay, so he just goes for a bank shot. I mean, I don't mean that he just goes for a bank shot, but he like made the first shot. So I think I'm gonna turn my arrogant mode on. I'm gonna say I never miss. He's constantly saying, see how I play. So I think we gotta learn something. Oh, he calls it bottom left pocket. Okay, this is getting intense, but this is not going in. He's using the wrong spin. Bro, this is how you play. I mean, this is why you were boasting so much about your skills. Okay, you know, you gotta watch and learn now. Where's the chat pad? Okay, watch and learn, buddy. Guys, this is like on my reputation right now, okay? I'm being serious, okay? He says, let's see what you got. This is gonna be an interesting match for sure, excuse me. Top middle. It's impossible for you, but it's not impossible for me. Okay, do you understand that? I can guarantee this, he just bought these chat packs and he's so excited to use them. I'm gonna say I find your lack of skill disturbing, and then gonna go for a back shot. I really don't want to lose this game. I really don't want to lose this game. Maybe he thought that I'm not gonna play in direct or something. I mean, I don't know, but now I'm gonna obviously teach this guy a lesson. So before you open your mouth against me, you gotta be careful. I mean, people understand sarcasm, right? So don't take everything seriously. But I know still some people are gonna take it. Have you ever pot like 2 shots in 1 ball, bro? Before saying, see how I play. You gotta pot 2 balls in 1 shot, please. Okay, so I think this is gonna be a full indirect Berlin match. The biggest issue with me right now is the yellow ball, but I got a plan for it, guys. I have to go for a back shot, okay? So I'm gonna add bottom left spin. He says, let's see what you got. This is what I got, bro! Wow, I actually played better than expected in this match. Not gonna lie, I didn't think it's gonna go that smooth. The big challenge right now for me is to putt the black ball. This yellow is a very easy 1 back shot, so the main thing is I almost was about to putt the black ball like this and would have lost the game. He says no, but the thing is, you gotta lose the game. Actually, I said, do you like me? And then he said no, okay, so okay, no problem. No problem. I really like the way you missed like a schoolboy error type of Man, okay. I don't know. Let's do it. Before running your mouth, bro. Next time, you gotta watch out against which type of player and which type of viewers you're playing against it, okay? I got the best viewers out here, so you got, I mean, I'm obviously more confident when I'm recording and playing in front of the camera, or in other words, in front of you guys. I'm gonna play with this guy again. I think it's gonna be a nice roast. He's playing direct? Bro, you are so triggered that you started playing direct. What? Guys, he's playing direct shots now. This is what I hate about players, but I'm actually loving it this time because it feels so good to shut this guy's arrogance by like becoming arrogant myself, but playing better, a lot better than this guy. I think so. He's adding top spin. No, wrong spin. He should add back spin, but everyone has a different point of view. So, but he's not in a very good situation. So, no. I think so. The time is running. Okay, wait. Oh, I think he just got lucky, man. I think this is going, yes, this shot is going, or maybe, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna, see, the force matters a lot in this shot, okay, like a lot. So let's see how he adjusts the force, man. I don't really want to lose the game, man. Oh, he missed. I sounded like a bird over there, I know, but he missed. Man, he missed. Now, I don't want to give this chance of a, see, he started playing in direct, man, but we're not gonna give our style, okay? I know this shot was direct, but see, now obviously I won't force myself to play every single shot in direct because he just like straight up said that I'm not worth enough to still play in direct after losing a game, okay? I really, man, it's so good. I'm obviously gonna put this in video, like, I'm gonna snooker this guy. Watch this, man. Brown ball. Okay. I bet his mind is blown away by seeing this snooker. Man, I don't want comments like, why am I acting a pro so much? I'm doing this for fun, okay? I know I'm not the best player in the world. I'm just the best player in the universe. That's it. So he must be super pissed off. He actually tried to snooker me. What he was trying to do is, he was trying to stick the black ball very close to the rail, but he failed actually. Man. So good to kill people's arrogance and stuff like that. He was like, I'm gonna destroy this Berlin table and I'm gonna be like, you play so good and stuff like that. Instead, he got trolled himself. See this bank shot, bro? Okay. Can I go for the bottom right pocket? I'm just gonna try. Yes, it's going in, man. He failed to actually stick it. This is so satisfying, man. This should be in the, like, you know, the most satisfying videos ever. In the first match, he was like, wow, he was at the 7th cloud or something, 7th sky. Was that on my hair? No, nothing. Let's see if this guy plays again or not. If he does play again, man, he has to have some incredible amount of, okay, he does play again. He does play again. Okay, do you want to lose again, man? Whose break is it? Is it mine or him? It's my break, okay. So, I'm gonna do the break. One thing I don't know, just one thing I don't know, you know, he says you play like a pro. I don't understand one thing, man. When someone plays direct, and suddenly they start playing direct, and if they win the game, like, what's in their head that the other player was playing in direct and I just played in direct? I just played direct and win. I'm such a good player. I'm such a legend. What's the thought process, man? Don't they feel like ashamed of themselves, like the other player is trying his best to play, you know, in direct, and you just finished the game up directly in Berlin or higher tables. I'm not talking about lower, you know, tables. I scratched, so this is your last chance. This is your last chance. I don't know if there's a new wheat flavor in the market, but that was a joke, okay? Don't take that seriously. Connection is slow, please wait. I really can't believe, like, this shot that he missed was a very easy bank shot. A person who knows how to bank shot, like even the simplest one, knows that was not a very difficult bank shot, considering that confidence that this guy had in the first match. So didn't intend to pot the brown ball, so not gonna take the credit for that. This is gonna be such an amazing video, man. Like, player getting destroyed, you know. Wow, man. He's still saying you are busted after losing 2 games, and hopefully he's gonna lose this one if I don't mess up. He's still saying you're busted, man. I really like the confidence in this guy. It's gonna say 3. It's not even a best of 3 anymore. I just won the best of 3. I'm gonna win the best of 5 if I'm gonna, you know, win this match. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. I'm gonna say you can win now, but it's a bit risky, I know, on my part. But why is my connection messing up? You thought that was in? This will be actually in, brother. You don't have to think that was in. You have to say it is in. Okay, that was a nice time playing with you, man. Hopefully, will he play again? I just wish I face more opponents like this in the future because the video content is so good. See, when I enter Berlin and I played indirectly with some random people who are playing direct, it's super fun when I make good shots. But playing against a type of player who is so like confident of his trick shots and back shots, you know, and then destroying him, I really like. See, when he started playing directly, it would have been very bad and saddening if he actually won the game, but luckily he didn't, and we taught him a life lesson. Okay, man, moral of the story, never speak too soon. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Tomorrow is Friday, okay? Hopefully it's Friday. No. Yes, I think tomorrow's Friday. Gonna see you guys tomorrow, and you guys are the best. As I always say, click the first link in the description, everyone, and subscribe to that channel. Goodbye.